Hey guys, welcome back to the Sports Republic. We're here to preview the next game of the IPL, which is Sunrisers Hyderabad versus Royal Challengers Bangalore. Game number 6 of the IPL. We have two RCB fans here with us to preview the game. First game, I mean, of course, you guys will be really happy beating the champions in the first game. Both teams suffered sort of a narrow fate. You won narrowly against the champions, Mumbai Indians, and Sunrisers. At a point looked like they could chase KKR's total, but they fell short and they could not win their first game. But both really strong teams. Both teams looking to get into the playoffs. Look really balanced sides. Both of them. We'll start with asking you for both. How do you think of both these teams going into this fixture? Who do you think go in the best shape, and what are your preferred 11s? I'll go with Vikas first.
Well, best shape, I won't say best shape, but the better shape than SRH because they have those important 2 points with in the tally. Because RCB did win the match, but it could have been a lot more easier than considering the target.
I thought you were saying it could have been the other way around easily.
I mean, see, if you're winning, I heard people saying you win it because AB Jones. Yeah, I mean, he's our player. That's why we win. This cannot be the reason you win it because AB Jones. Yeah, he's our player.
Sense, of course.
Yeah, exactly. So better shape because SRH did lose the match and lost it quite. It could have been other way around with SRH. So I think RCB will be in the better shape. And preferred 11 will.
Yeah, I'll go to Vignesh first, and then I'll ask your preferred.
Yeah, right.
Vignesh, RCB won their first game. Death bowling was a problem for them last year. Do you think they've improved that this year, or they're carrying the same problems? And the first game was just something. Mumbai Indians were rusty. They never won their first game, and it was that sort of a result, or it was really something convincing that RCB has put up this year as a team.
Right. So very small sample size to judge if they have addressed their death bowling concerns. But if the pitch, they will be playing in Chennai again. So might be once again Harshal Patel's cutters and slower balls might just stick into the pitch and might help them. And may the death bowling may look solved as such for now. Not an all condition bowling unit yet. But a win is a good thing to start with. You can easily learn when you're winning. So RCB in a better shape as compared to SRH, but you can't count SRH out. Many people counted them out last season, and out of nowhere they even toppled RCB to finish third. So Orange Army is they will fly under the radar and they'll surprise you. So
last year also everybody was saying in terms of the playoffs that instead of Delhi Daredevils, if Sunrisers had gotten Mumbai Indians, there would have been a chance because Sunrisers have always been a team of, at least they're always qualifying. They're the most sort of consistent team along with Mumbai Indians who always qualify since they've been in the new version of the Hyderabad franchise, if you can call it. Right. But individual players, individual brilliance is what takes them home. And again, they face the same problem as last year, that middle order, that lower mid order. If Manish Pandey doesn't fire, Samad too young, these guys are not experienced enough to carry the team across the finish line. The same problems prevail for you, Vikas, this season?
Yeah, exactly. I mean, if you're starting with Saha and Warner, you're gonna go with Besto at 4. I mean,
Why isn't Besto keeping?
Why Besto should keep? You can get Kane Williamson in your team. I mean, this is IPL, and you are dropping someone like Kane Williamson. This is something which is.
But Williamson, and especially. वो fit नहीं है. He's not match fit yet.
Yeah. I think that was the reason. So I'm just expecting that if Kane Williamson is back at number 4, then their middle order makes more sense to me. Also,
so let's go with that. I mean, team news wise, Kane Williamson will be available for selection. Vignesh,
I doubt they might go for him in the second game.
But he's available for selection, or he's just out of match practice. That's why they're not going to play him.
Out of match practice, and he's carrying a niggle as well.
Right.
There's something.
And Holder is out of quarantine, or does he have more days in quarantine and not available for this game as well?
No, he's
Holder-
available. Holder is available.
Holder is available.
Okay, so we'll go by that information and sort of you guys give your first. What do you think these guys are going for their 11-a-side team? Vikas?
I think for me, if Kane Williamson is not available, best like the now we are discussing on those terms.
Right.
So Kane Williamson is not available, so I'll still go with Besto at 4, and the remaining team will be same. I actually want Priyam Garg to join the camp and join the 11, and I will not pick Vijay Shankar in the team.
Vignesh?
Priyam Garg instead of Vijay Shankar.
Yeah, I would like to bring in two changes. I would like to bring Holder in place of Sandeep Sharma, and so one foreigner, Holder basically will replace Mohammad Nabi, and I will bring Shahbaz Nadeem in. Holder provides that depth, which they are lacking, power hitters, and Holder did a fairly decent job in UAE, and he's quite good against spin. So he can very underrated when it comes to power hitting in terms of the talent which the Caribbean possesses. But Holder will be a good match, and Sandeep Sharma with no swing is not that effective. So Shahbaz Nadeem might be a better pick. So that those will be my two changes, I believe.
You guys, I'm forgetting that name.
I think Shahbaz Nadeem is a good option in the sense that RCB, all of them are right-handed batsmen, and the ball going away. Kohli also struggles against that sort of, you've seen Jadeja trouble him in the past. So I think Shahbaz Nadeem would be a decent pick for this game at least. Yeah, I think SRH otherwise.
One thing. I'm forgetting that name, that left armer who played for India as well.
Khalil Ahmed.
Guys, come on.
Khalil Ahmed.
Yeah.
You want to bring him in the team, or I think that's also a good call,
Not now.
Just to change.
Interest.
Exactly.
Interest.
If you can drop Sandeep Sharma, you can get that in as well.
That's a good option. That's a good option. I think that is, again, that's something the team management has to decide in terms of.
But Sandeep Sharma has a very good track record against Kohli. I doubt they will drop him. At least for that, they will try to play. Yeah.
Right.
SRH otherwise now, they're having this middle order problem, and we saw somebody playing for Punjab that day, which they must be now regretting, letting him go. Deepak Hooda boys. I'm talking about Deepak Hooda.
Yeah, obviously.
How can you keep Vijay Shankar and let Deepak Hooda go? I don't know. That makes no sense at all. RCB guys, both of you guys, how convinced were you with your team? And you going with the same combination of players, or somebody's getting a chance and somebody's going out? I'll start with Vignesh.
So I was completely surprised here with the playing 11 which RCB brought in the first game, but thankfully pleasantly surprised for a change with RCB. But
surprise bol raha hai, matlab ki kuch to, it was a good team they picked, yeah.
It was
Finally,
a good team.
Fine. You're not supposed to be surprised with. That is surprising. That is surprising with RCB.
Right. So the four foreigners, I was sure कि ये चार को उन लोग खिलाएंगे. They bring in a lot of balance. The four foreigners which they choose. Apart from that, straight change. Devdutt Padikkal out of quarantine, available for selection, so he goes right up at the top with Kohli. Maxwell, Villiers, Dan Christian. I would play Rajat Patidar. He looked solid for me, at least for whatever balls he faced. So I would persist with Patidar for one more game. And the only other change, apart from that, agar Padikkal comes in, the person who walks out, kaun walk out karega? I am not sure.
Shahbaz Ahmed.
Shahbaz Ahmed will go out.
Shahbaz definitely goes. Okay. So, bowler shot? No?
No, man.
Quite happy. 7 bowling options hai apne paas na.
Still, we didn't use Maxwell last game, so I think.
Maxi is again an option. Yeah, for sure. Against Warner, I think Warner said Maxi can at least come in and bowl a couple of overs. Vikas, tere liye 11?
Actually, the same thing. I will the same change. I will bring. Obviously, Padikkal comes in and Shahbaz goes out. And I would love to see again. I mean, Rajat Patidar at 3 for
Yeah.
one more games or 2 more games, and probably Maxi and ABD can shuffle.
But agar,
yeah.
if Patidar isn't playing, what is the option that you guys have got? Who do you go to?
Azharuddin है ना आपके पास?
Azhar, yeah, I think
Azhar.
you guys still
But
don't
Azhar-
think
है.
he deserves a chance
No,
after that
Patidar.
knock?
I think no. I think yeah, Patidar showed more consistency in the domestic structure so far. So I think Azhar is that one innings that we all talk about. So I think Patidar we should go.
The Padikkal and
Also,
Kohli are opening.
there are players. There are
Padikkal,
players like Sachin. Netia.
Padikkal,
Sachin
Kohli are
Netia.
opening, and I think where is the place for Patidar? I mean, 3, you're not going to go away from Maxi. 4, you're not going to go away from AB. Then
no,
or
I'm
maybe
saying
Sachin
I'm saying Rajat Patidar at number 3 or
So
ABD and Maxi.
I think, yeah, I mean, you guys know better because you follow the team. I think I would probably go for, Azhar, because I think he is more flexible in terms ki niche bhi aake, if you have to smack it, he can smack it. I mean, that option is also available. I think with Patidar, you're a little locked. And again, what happened with Tripathi again can happen. The same sort of situation can arise. So,
But
let's
on
see. I
Chennai
think
का wicket, I guess Patidar kind of a player, एक hand hold करने वाला at number 3 will be ideal. मुझे सिर्फ चेन्नई के wicket के लिए maybe might be a good option. Yes.
So moving on, next guys, we're gonna sort of predict 3 players who are gonna do the best in the next game, and we'll go by the points that Dream 11 assigns. Okay, so you'll have to give 3 names, and we are gonna play our own little game over here. So if your first choice name is the most points scored guy in Dream 11, you get 20 points. If that guy is in the second place, and so you get 10, and in the third place you get 5 points. I'm going to go with Vikas first. Vikas, 3 guys for you, and this is important. I mean, let's see if you're going to follow this up in your team.
I mean, 3 guys from both the
Yeah. The
from
whole
22,
game.
22,
Yeah, the whole
right?
game,
From
yeah.
22. 3 guys. My first is AB de Villiers. I think AB de Villiers will score more. And then I have my third. Third is Virat Kohli, and second is David Warner.
David Warner.
Yeah.
Okay. Interesting. Chennai में 3 batsmen pick करना. Vignesh.
First मेरा Kylie Jamieson रहेगा.
What are you expecting, a 5er?
नहीं यार, मैंने बस वो देखा कि प्रसिद्ध कृष्णा के हाइट से वार्नर वाज बिट ट्रबल्ड, सो जेमिसन कैन ब्रिंग हाइट टू गुड इफेक्ट. एंड
I'll be happy to lose, by the way.
एंड एसआरएच का इंडियन मिडिल ऑर्डर क्वालिटी पेस को फेस करना थोड़ा सा मुझे शेकी लगता है. सो जेमिसन विल बी माय नंबर 1. नंबर 2 एंड नंबर 3 ऑपोजिशन के प्लेयर्स को मैं चुन रहा हूँ, सो आरसीबी फैंस थोड़ा माफ कर देना. राशिद खान एट नंबर 2 एंड मनीष पांडे एट नंबर 3. फॉर अ स्ट्रेंज रीजन आई फील कि मनीष पांडे ने सारे ट्विटर पे कमेंट्स पढ़े रहेंगे, एंड he'll come out with a different approach. So these 3 will be my players.
Even if he doesn't change approach, he'll and plays the exact way that he played last game, he'll still win the points.
Yeah, I'll go for my 3. I'll go for my 3. I'm picking Besto at 1. Because I mean, he can easily sort of score 100 also. Easy for him if he gets going. Second, there's a confusion here. Maybe I'll go for Rashid as well. Number 3, I'll go for Bhuvneshwar. I'm gonna go put 2 SRH bowlers. Let's see.
Yeah.
So I'm backing SRH to win, basically.
Yeah, basically, yeah.
Yeah.
So basically, in amongst all the predictions, if I win, everyone will have a treat. I mean, with ABD's batting, yeah, of course.
Yeah, great.
Finally, the last part, your predictions for the game, Vikas. Who do you think is going to win?
RCB.
Don't. I mean, don't go with RCB.
Yeah,
But just
I mean, don't
think-
not
think before you
think-
speak.
Yeah, thinking even after I think, I'll still go with RCB. I think I'll say because last match में जो थोड़ा सा कुछ काम नहीं किया था उनके लिए Dan Christian and the rest of the stuff after AB de Villiers, I think that will fall in place and RCB will win.
Vignesh?
उतना आई एक्सपेक्ट अ वेरी क्लोज एनकाउंटर यार. मुझे लग रहा है कि एबीडी और मैक्सवेल इफ दे डोंट वीव देयर मैजिक इट माइट बी एसआरएच. आई फाइंड इट वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू कॉल इट क्योंकि ये जो विकेट है चेन्नई का एसआरएच का गेम ज्यादा सूट करता है टू बी ऑनेस्ट रादर देन बैंगलोर. हार्ट सेज आरसीबी, माइंड सेज एसआरएच यार.
But what's your prediction? That's okay. I forgot to tell you. That's 15 points as well, huh? Your prediction. So that's why I was saying
yeah,
to Vikas,
RCB.
think and speak.
ये आरसीबी के टाइम पे ले गया है
टफ कॉल
15
टफ
points
कॉल.
अचानक.
एसआरएच.
Courage. So another RCB boy does not trust his team. I'm going for SRH also. I'm also going for SRH. I think Holder coming back. I think it will give them an edge in terms of
If Holder comes back.
if Holder come back. Yeah, I think that's a big thing. But if he does, I think they have a clear edge. Then I think still Virat Kohli has that a little bit of a trouble playing spinners. Rashid, जब वो आएगा, I think
यार
Rashid,
ये विघ्नेश ने मेरे दिमाग में डाल दिया संदीप शर्मा वाला सीन. I mean, trouble तो है. If a keeper is good, he'll come up close and
He'll come.
there is a
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm going SRH as well. I think Rashid again, and if Holder comes in, this is Holder, Bhuvi, and Natarajan, which is quite a formidable bowling lineup. Yeah. So here this was a pre-game sort of show from us, the Sports Republic. Hope you guys liked it. Please comment down below. Please like the video and share it with your friends and your family. Thank you so much.